Send a survey to your leads after your open house. Here is how. Once in Brokerloop network, click on your photo profile. Then click on Open House. Please note, if you haven't already, create a QR code by clicking Create New. Check out our previous tutorial to see how. If you previously created QR codes, you will see them here. You can click on them to see the QR code, leads, and delete it from the list. For this example, let's click on our listing. You will see 3 options: QR code, leads, and delete. Now, let's click on leads. If you click on your leads name, you will see their responses to your open house question form. You will see 2 options after selecting your leads. You can send them an SMS or you can send them a survey. For this example, let's click on Survey. You're good to go. Your survey is on its way.